Gotta start with these 3 bolts right here. They're 10 millimeter. That's tighter than the Chevy was. Pause. I just need an extension. Improvise, adapt, overcome. You see it overlaps, that's why you gotta take out that bolt. That's brought off. So they're hidden. Recording the struggle. Yeah, you would think it'd be easier on a Chevy, right? Let's see how long the struggle goes on for. Yeah, fuck that bolt. This is how hard it is to smash a 2 out of 10 in 2026. Oh, I got it. Don't drop it. What a pain in the fucking dick. It's just a turn. Turn that shit. Forgot how to get them out.
Yeah, you're not supposed to touch the new ones with your bare hands.
Too late.
No, the new ones. Who gives a fuck about the old ones?
Fucking dry as shit. Diddy Powers. Give it to me, Diddy.
Oh yeah.
No, I said used clothes, whatever that means. Fuck!
Nice.
You know they ain't built Ford tough.
Nah. It's GMC tough, baby. Hitting it right, getting it light. Do it right.
Out in 150 hours compared to 300, it's not my problem. Oh shit. Yeah, that's a little bit more than Diddy, alright. That Diddy's something, alright. I guess it doesn't matter which one is on top, alright.
Typical GM work right here. Yeah, this looks great. Man, they added extra padding. Ain't nothing gonna happen. And you look over at this side. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, it's already fucking broken.
Fucking pain in the dick.